Hello there and welcome back. In this video we are going to take a look at how you can create your own craft command. So in order to demonstrate this, what we would like to do is to go ahead, create a directory called for, navigate inside there and issue the craft new. Once the application is initialized, what we can do is to issue another command which is called craft command hello. So this is going to create some files in our directory, and let's take a look at that. So if everything goes well, under the app we should see in the commands folder a hello command.py, and basically the what we can do is to see the skeleton. So inside here, we should be able to override the default action. So basically, what we should do is to override the handle function, because currently it's just passed, so nothing will happen. And what we could do is to print an f string, welcome to your own custom command, and then use the name. And this name is going to come from the self.argument, and it should be put inside these single quotes. And after that, we need to do something else. So basically, we need to create a provider for this command to work. So craft provider hello. And once this provider is created, under the app providers folder, we should see the hello provider. And this hello provider provides us the hello provider class, which has two functions. One is the register, the other is the boot. And basically what we can do is to bind under the register function our command. So self.app.bind hello command to hello command. This is going to be the class, and from the app.commands.hello command we import the hello command, and this should be working. So hello command, this is the one that we would like to associate or bind. And now what we need to do is to go under our config folder, and here we have the providers.py, and under the providers we should add to the providers what we have created. So this is going to be called, hold on, not here but rather here. So this is going to be the hello provider, and in order for this to work, what we also need to do is to from the app.providers hello provider import the hello provider. And once this is done, we should be able to issue, if everything is saved, we should be able to issue the craft command. And here we should be able to see our own command. So instantiate, we have to, let me check. So we have our hello command.py, and inside the hello command we have overridden the handle, and we simply print the argument name. Now we have created the provider, which is called the hello provider, and here the Masonite provider and the hello command are the reference. And we bind the hello command to the hello command, and the boot is empty, and under the providers we have the hello provider itself, and it is able to go here, but here it is not working. So command Z. Great. Now let's craft what we have.